Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone or tablet, just go to your Android Play Store on Android phone and search for YouTube Studio. If you are using Android, if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and search for YouTube. After you have successfully searched for it, download and install it on your phone. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to run the app. So if you are running the app for the first time, you will need to log in. So once you log in, it will take you to your YouTube channel. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a particular user that you want to hide or block from having access to your channel. You can easily do that from comment section. Scroll down right here. So if you see any user right here that you want to hide from your channel, what you need to do is to simply click on the particular video that they comment on, and this is going to pump up. And the next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to click on hide user from channel. Click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on hide user. It's that simple. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.